Today's recipe is a world-famous chicken fry. Known to have originated from the state of Madras, invented by Mr. A.M. Buhari. This recipe has travelled all around the world and has found its place in the menu cards all around the globe. You guessed it right, we are talking about chicken 65. There are so many variations to this recipe. We are going with the closest one that matches our taste. For this recipe, we need 700 grams of chicken. I'm using chicken pieces with bones. Ideally, boneless chicken leg pieces are the right choice. Half a cup yogurt or curd. 2.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper. 3/4 of a teaspoon garam masala powder. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon rock salt. A pinch of red food coloring. You may substitute it with Kashmiri red chili paste, which gives a deep red color. Had you made it so far, we hope you liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe us for more such content. If you are a chicken lover, do check out our Chicken playlist for more ideas. We got tandoori chicken, spicy chicken and lots more. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And here is the secret ingredient. 2 tablespoons of chopped curry leaves. Let the chicken pieces soak in the marinade very well. After 40 minutes, add 3 tablespoons of rice flour. And 1.5 tablespoons of refined flour or maida. We have another recipe of chicken fry, slightly a variant of this chicken 65 in our channel. Do check out the video showing in the end screen. Fry them in the oil until they are done. We got to know from the Buhari's website itself that chicken 65 was invented in the year 1965. Toss the chicken pieces side to side to ensure proper cooking. We stumbled upon so many interesting facts when we wanted to know about the name chicken 65. 65 was the number of chilies which went into the recipe. Some said it was menu item number 65. Some came up with the idea that the chicken was cut into 65 pieces, while some said the chicken was 65 days old when it was ready to cook. Which of these facts you found interesting? Are there any recipes which have such interesting facts you know of? Do share it in the comments below. Once the chicken is cooked, remove them, straining off the oil. Chicken 65 is served with a special tempering which goes in last. Oil goes in first. The tempering also has variations. Some include adding spices and masalas. Toss it with 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. Let it turn golden brown. 3 to 4 green chilies. Cook until they are fried well. And lots of curry leaves. Fry them till they go crisp. Toss the tempering over the chicken pieces and mix well. There you go, our Buhari style chicken 65 is ready. Until next time, this is Hafsa signing off with a reminder to press the bell button once you subscribe so that you get notifications from our channel. Enjoy the weather and happy cooking. And don't forget watching Licks and Bites.